I'm Abby.
And hi, I'm Ami. And we're from San Francisco.
Oh, I was very tired of our 30-year-old kitchen. I got an ad from Home Advisor, and just for fun, I put in that we needed a new kitchen. And got a call from Zack Llinetsky. Compared to other projects that we've done in this house with other contractors, Zack was really, we just felt his expertise and also his guidance of the workers and the relationship that he has with his workers, that we felt like he was aiming for excellence at all times. Even with little things that we had concerns about, boom, it was done, it was corrected. And we did not have that experience with other contractors where in the past where things were unclear and the work was kind of shoddy, so in some places. So we're really, really grateful for that experience.
I'd also like to say that from the beginning, Zack promised us that at the end of the day or at the end of a short period of time, he would check in with us, and he kept his word. One thing that he did was check in frequently at the end of the workday. If he was here, we of course talked. If he was not here, by phone or text. And we were in constant communication with him like we were not before with other projects. So that's a big plus too. His insistence on checking in daily and making sure everything's okay, that was a big plus, just that callback, and very responsive to any questions we had, responding very quickly, even at hours apart from the workday.
And the schedule had its own rhythm. The schedule, if there was anything that needed to be held off on, we were aware of it. My schedule in particular was honored. Since I do a lot of work in the house, there was a certain day that they couldn't work, and that was really great to have that flexibility. So it was nice to have Zack's connection with the people who were at the showroom, because he could call them, and the guy who represents the showroom came and measured. He measured several times as our plans changed.
And you were not charged for it.
And we were not charged for it, and he was, boom, right there within a day or two. So that, I mean, how often does that happen, where you can just get someone from the showroom to come and redesign things? And
at the conclusion of the project, Zack noted there was one space that just didn't seem right, and within a day or two they were out again, measured and readjusted to his specifications, which we wouldn't have even noted, but we realize now after the fact how correct it is. And so that's the way Zack is. He just works with us almost to an unnerving degree, can anticipate what our needs are, and works very gently with us, and gets the job done. Boom, boom, boom.
And also, I'm really looking forward to working with Zack again. We have a bathroom that needs attention, so we're very grateful to have this contact.
And we will be in touch.